Hey everyone. In this session, we are going to see how the application works without providing the data source. So in this session, we are not going to provide the data source and we are going to check how the application is working without any data source. So we can have the brief knowledge about the working of the Q application. So let's jump directly into the Amazon Q and go to the Amazon Q business. So after it, as you can see, we have just one application for the use case. Now we don't have any data sources for the utilization at it is 0. So if I have to check the application, go to the web experience settings, copy the deployed URL and paste the URL into the new browser. After copying it, as you can see, we have two users available. So out of these two users, you can use any to access it. So as we have two users for the available, so let's provide the user details and see how it is gonna work. So new user, click on next, then provide the password. Now click on next and you have to provide the MFA code for the authentication for the utilization of it. So the code of the MFA is 014596. So click on sign in. After the successful sign in, you are going to see the application that is going to be available for the use case. As you can see, MSQ has been started. So let's say we are talking about the Linux based application and let's see what is memory command in Linux. So based on the basic knowledge, so it is going to say I could not find the relevant information because no data has been provided into the utilization. So if we see, let's take an example, very common example, capital of USA. So for every question, it is going to say relevant information not find. So as you can see, as there is no data source based on the application, it is unable to find any data for the use case. So in such situation, we have to provide data source so that it can be utilized for the giving output. So that's all from this video. Thanks a lot.